Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this short video tutorial, we are going to just understand here how are the different ways to import the modules in Python programming, right? So we are going to see here four different ways, that is basic import, import specific function, import with alias and import all, right? How we can just import out the modules within our code. Okay, let's go with basic import. Okay, so here let's go with basic import. So what am I going to do here? Simply I'm going to import a math module. So we have seen there are different modules. Okay, I'm dealing out here with the math module only. So we can just use out the functions here, already inbuilt function in the math. We can just perform the square, right? So this is just example how we can import the basic module, that is math, and how can we just use it out. Let's say I just want to get the like square of a number. So I'm just going to use out here a function with math dot h, sorry, sqrt. So I just want the square of my 5. So we are going to use out the sqrt function, which is found out within the math module. So I'm just going to run it and we'll get our desired answer. So this is what we just got the answer. Okay, so if I'll just try to take the 25, I mean sqrt is not for square, it is out for getting the root. Okay, so for 25 I'm getting out here 5. So 5 5 ja, that is 25, right? So this is how you can use out the math module. I'll say I wanna just do out that okay, I'm just going to now import the specific function. So I'm just going to take here from keyword. From math I want to import sqrt, specifically only like sqrt, right? So I'm just going to use out here same thing, nothing changes, and I'm just going to print it out simply here, math dot sqrt, and I am just going to give the answer. So let's just try to get the answer. Okay, we're getting some error here because we don't need to use out now math dot, directly I can use it out. So this is what the things you can just work on. In case if you want to use out the alias, so you can just do one thing. So alias is just the alternate name as m. Okay, and I'm just going to get the pi's value with the help of m. So m dot pi, I'm going to get the pi's value. So you can just check out here, because this is from, I need to import out, right? So if you will see here, we just got the answer of pi's value, right? So this is just the import method, how we can just import the things with alias. And if you want to use out nothing, you just want to import out everything, right, without any headache. So you can just use out what? You can use out from keyword, you can use out the library or anything. Just import out everything with the asterisk. Okay, and let's say I want to just get the sign zeros value. So this is a universal, I would say, importing of the modules. Okay, sign 0 is 0 only again. So we are going to we have just imported everything within the math. Okay, not the particular function, not the single function or the value or as alias, right? So this is how you can just import out the modules in Python programming. I hope guys this is going to be a useful information for you. Thank you so much.